How to check your Target gift card balance. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial in order to do so, which should be super quick, so you can follow out these steps for that. So you can start by opening up the Target application. You can open up the Target app. For now, I'm gonna use a browser. You can just go over to target.com if you're using a website and log it into your account if you're not logged in. And that should be the following interface. Now you can just go over in the card for gift card option. Usually in the top right you can find your profile. You can click on it, and within here we can look out for the gift card option. If you do not find it, you can just go over to a new tab if you're using a website and just go over and type in Target check gift card balance. After that, hit enter and you can just go over and find the official site within Target. You can just go over and click on it and head over to the site directly, where you'll be finding this section right here. So in this first box, you can enter up your gift card number. Just go over and enter it up, and right below it you can just go over and enter up your access number, which is your PIN. So enter it up. After that, click on this option called check balance, and usually under card you can easily find these numbers available. You can click it out, enter it out in this section. After that, click on check balance and you can take just go over and redeem it and view your card balance this way. If you're in the application, you can look out for the menu option and look out for check balance and enter up the required code, and you can check your balance and your balance will show instantly. And if you're using in-store, you can also head over to any of the Target store and ask a team member cashier to check the balance for you. But usually this is how you should be able to do it online. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.